Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to always show task keyboard on taskbar in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To show task keyboard, click on Start menu, click on Settings, then click on Personalization. Now scroll down. Here you will find taskbar. Click on the drop down and then scroll down. You will find task keyboard here and show task keyboard icon on no keyboard attached. This is default. Just click on the drop down menu and select always and look. Now you will find task keyboard on your taskbar. You can open task keyboard from here. If you want to hide it from here, just click on drop down on task keyboard and you can select again when no keyboard attached or never. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.